the real-time real estate segment being brought to you by rsrmoney.com. Great app. Monitor your credit, your assets, your bank. If you own real estate, it'll give you 4 different valuations of your real estate anywhere in the country. Three good sources, and it'll also give you Zillow if you want the wrong one. And it'll also give you about 97% of the properties that are available for sale around the entire country. rsrmoney.com, free to you. Buyer activity is up despite higher mortgage rates. If you're a homeowner thinking about making a move, you may wonder if it's still a good time to sell your house. Here's the good news. Even with higher mortgage rates, buyer traffic is actually picking up. Data from the latest Showing Index, which is a measure of buyers actively touring homes, helps paint the picture of how much buyer demand has increased in recent months. And if you are watching us on ronsiegelradio.tv, any of our socials, or the ABC News and Talk AM 1490 video feed, you're seeing a graph showing traffic up again in February. The first 2 months of 2023 saw a noticeable increase in buyer traffic. That's likely because the limited number of homes for sale kept shoppers looking for homes even during colder months. To help tell the story of why the latest report is significant, let's compare foot traffic this February with each February for the last 6 years. And of course, we've got a graph for it again if you're watching us. It shows this was one of the best Februaries for buying activity we've seen in recent memory. Well, 2022, the pandemic, we saw some good traffic. Maybe people just wanted to escape. But, the 2023 was next best. In the last 6 years, we saw the most buyer foot traffic in 2021, 2022. But those years were highly unusual for the housing market. So if we compare February 2023 with the more normal pre-pandemic years, data shows this year still marks a clear rise in buyer activity. The uptick in buyer traffic is even more notably considering the increase in mortgage rates this February. The Freddie Mac 30-year fixed mortgage rate rose from 6.09 during the week of February 2nd to 6.50 in the week of February 23rd. But even with higher rates, more buyers were looking for a home. Jeff Tucker, senior economist at Zillow, says the increased buyer activity could continue, and I quote, "More buyers will keep coming out of the woodwork. We always see a seasonal uptick in home shoppers in March and April," unquote. If you're looking to sell your house, seeing buyers still active in the market this year should be encouraging. It's a sign buyers are out there and could be looking for a home just like yours. We're working with a real estate professional to list your house now will help you get your home in front of eager buyers. Bottom line, rising foot traffic is a bright spot for this year's housing market and indicates that buyers are looking to purchase this year even with higher mortgage rates. And you don't have to have a higher mortgage rate. That is an option for you if you have looked at rsrbuydown.com, rsrbuydown.com. We show you our 30-year payment assistance program. I just looked at some programs just the other day. Rates were in the upper 4s. Think about that concept. Upper 4s. Think they're still too high for you? rsrbuydown.com. I don't know if you'll qualify. You gotta go through that process. That is the real-time real estate segment brought to you by rsrmoney.com, rsrmoney.com.